I'm here facilitator in the course on how to create online trainings using Hop platform. And my expectation after the course is that people who attend this course, they continue in their organizations, outside of organizations, creating non-formal learning online, which is very creative, can be involving, participatory. So my expectation that they shift that fixation on online being static and not fun.
So my expectations about taking part in the Hop Crash course is to know how to create interesting and cool courses for Ukrainian youth and provide them new knowledge, and also, of course, to make networking, to meet new people, to know more new information, and to get new acquaintances and partnerships.
We are in the middle of the seminar and people are working, and that's usually a very great moment because finally the participants get the opportunity kind of to work on their own idea and bring their own course idea forward. And that's what the Hop Crash course is all about, kind of to have an idea which you would like to bring online and make an online course out of it to give other young people or youth workers the opportunity kind of to learn something famous. And and we are in this process, the supporters, facilitators, to help the people on the way.
When it comes to my expectation to Hop course, I really wanted to learn more about the designing online learnings, as well as get to know the Hop platform to see which kind of options, opportunities I have and how I can create more interactive learning experiences for my participants.
The expectations about the Hub platform, I expect that I will learn here more about it. I will try to master all the functions and methods the Hub platform uses, and I look forward to using them in my work life.
So the first thing I would do after I will be back to Ukraine is to discuss everything with my team, with the people from my NGO, and maybe we will apply for a grant to make this course even more cooler and with much more quality, and involve other partners into the creation, than to spread this course more on the national level.
I'm gonna work with my team on the concept. Then we're gonna contact Salto and we will apply. We will try to make sure that our course will become live.
So after I finish the residential training here, I'm gonna be applying the acquired knowledge in my work, in my volunteering, and I'm gonna be completing the online course that I'm starting to build here, and I will be providing with my beneficiaries at the end of the summer.